Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete spam emails in Gmail. Gmail automatically filters suspected spam messages, and you can manage them so they don't stay in your account longer than necessary. So, let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. If you don't see Spam, click More to expand the list of folders. Then click Spam. By default, Gmail automatically deletes emails in the spam folder after 30 days, so you don't have to remove them manually. If you want to delete all current spam messages right away, click Delete All Spam Messages Now at the top of the page. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to permanently remove all spam emails. To reduce future spam, open unwanted emails and click Report Spam whenever you receive suspicious messages. Gmail uses this information to improve its spam filtering and automatically move similar messages to the spam folder. You can also create filters to automatically delete certain unwanted emails before they reach your inbox. Click the Show Search Options icon in Gmail search bar, set your filter conditions, then click Create Filter. Select Delete It and click Create Filter again. Future emails that match the filter will be sent directly to the trash. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automatically delete spam emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.